One of the most important and burning questions which almost every patient asks us is hair transplant safe? I'm Dr. Amit, I'm a plastic surgeon. We're operating from Delhi, Gurgaon and also in Mumbai. And my center is Divine Cosmetic Surgery. We are a team of 4 doctors, all adequately trained in plastic surgery and very well trained for hair transplant procedures. So, is hair transplant safe? Absolutely not. It's not safe at all if you choose to do your hair transplant with unregistered doctors or technicians. So if you choose to do a hair transplant with a dentist, with an MBBS doctor, with a homeopath, an Ayurved, or some anesthesia doctor or some eye doctor, it is not safe. You're risking your result, your health and your life.
Dear friends, thank you for watching this video. Please like this particular video and subscribe to my channel. This will give access to all the upcoming amazing videos that we are going to put up and also open up all the other videos that I have posted so far.
It is 100% safe if you do your hair transplant with plastic surgeons. Would you want to do such a procedure with anyone else and risk your result? Why is it safe when we are doing it? 1. We know the side effects of all the medicines that are to be given. We are very well trained in operation theatre sterilization and operation theatre ethics. We are trained about surgery. We are trained about aesthetics. We are very well trained on follow-ups and handling of any problems. So, as a patient, do you want to take the chance of getting a hair transplant done by some non-registered person who might actually be hiring just some technicians from the market to do your hair transplant? Or would you rather prefer 100% assurance, 100% guarantee of results, 100% safety with the minimal scar, minimal pain and 100% assurance of follow-up? So take your choice, safety or disaster.